Alright, so I got the Kamikazes in the mail today, and if you've ever ordered from Reebok, they always come in these boxes with this tamper evidence tape. You know what I'm saying? Like, I guess for you to know if somebody's been messing with your stuff before you get it. Yeah, it comes with this label. On the flip side, it got the label with my address, but you know, I'm not gonna show that. Alright, so first thing, I'll cut that open. I need to be careful not to damage the shoebox. Because the shoebox is real important to me. I have a few pairs that don't have the shoebox, and it's like I don't really value them without the shoebox. It's something about the shoebox for me. I keep my shoes in the shoebox. So let's just see. All right. Oh, it's upside down. Let's just flip this over. So this is how it came. I guess no bubble wrap, no nothing. All right, there we go. So you got that Reebok right there. Oh, it got a crazy texture right here. It's nice. Reeboks is man, that look good. The Shaqnosis box is just all black. It has Shaq about this big right in the center, but it's all black like this. This one here, I guess they're stepping it up, man. I wonder what the blast would look like if they released the blast, or the Frank Thomases, or the Glenn Robinsons, the rails, man. I wish they'd release them soon. All right, man, look at that, man. These are super live. I ain't gonna lie. These go toe to toe with the Shaqnosis. So these are suede. This is like very, very soft. Hopefully not too soft to where it'll start like getting out of shape and stuff. But yeah, it is like straight up suede. It's nice. I like it. You got little wrinkles in there, so come on, focus. There we go. You see it? But man, these shoes right here, I'm not gonna lie. And this is another thing. The Reebok shoes always come with this little tag in there. This is my size, 10.5. They got the number 25 on it with the same design as the Kamikaze. It's live, man. See, people say, I've heard some people say that this is not the same exact Hexalite technology from back then. That the one before, it was more like very flexible. I mean, it's kind of flexible, but I can tell what they're talking about. I got some Vanguards. I got some Mobius. They don't feel like very hyped up like how people talk about this Hexalite, because I never wore a pair of Reeboks back in the days with that technology for me to remember that, hey, you know, this stuff is different. I wouldn't know. So people say that it's different. I do believe them, because everything is just coming down to like a cost efficient, you know what I'm saying? So check this out. All the other Reeboks I've been buying, none of them are double wrapped like these, or individually wrapped. You see how this came? Both shoes are, I guess, individually wrapped. So what this one say? So there they are, man. Reebok Kamikaze, the Rain Mans, the Sean Kemps. See that? See that? You like that? Yeah. Alright, let me show you these Shaq Attaq 4s that I scooped up from I had shipped to me from Poshmark. The seller on Poshmark, I believe he was asking about 130 bucks for them, and I offered him 80, thinking that he was gonna counter offer my offer, and you know, we'd work from there. But the dude he took those 80, so altogether with the shipping and the tax, it came out to be $95 and some change. And I think they're well worth it. I've never owned a pair of Shaq Attaq 4s, but when I seen them, like, I liked them. I think they're a real nice shoe. These are the ones that Shaq wore in the movie Uncle Drew. The guy did have the blue version, which was, I think, all blue, which I don't think those are OG. I know the black and blue Orlando colorway are OG. Another seller on there had them, but I think guy wanted like 190 for them. I don't think we'd work anything under 100 for those. But yeah, I was able to score these. Altogether 95 bucks or so. They're still new. I still have not worn them. And see how these come also just like the Kamikazes. Well, the Kamikazes like these, because these came out, I think, in 2016, I believe. I'm not sure, but these both shoes came individually wrapped, unlike, you know, most shoes just come with one wrapping. but these are also the same. The pump came inside. I don't know, that's how it comes. I'm pretty sure it does. I don't think the seller would have done that, put it in there rather than somewhere in the box. But this is the pump. I won't be using the pump. Whenever I start wearing these, I'm not gonna use the pump. I'm not gonna be inflating it or messing with that mechanism or any of that. But yeah, here go the Shaq Attaq 4s. I don't know what exactly to show you guys from these, but I just think this is a real dope shoe. I like it. I'll see about getting the black and blue Orlando colorway if I ever see it on a good price. You know, somewhere like around 100, 120, I'll pick them up. You know, if I can find them for even cheaper than that, that'd be a blessing. Again, some people saying that these newer retros that are coming out don't have the exact Hexalite technology from the originals, from the OGs. But, you know, what do I know? As long as the shoe fit, as long as the shoe fit good, as long as the shoe feels comfortable, I don't really care. I'll be putting the shields on these, and as well as on the Kamikazes and the Shaqnosis, because I don't want to damage them and crease them up and, you know what I'm saying, start having the toe box looking ugly. But here they go, man. These are some high tops. I like these. All right, man. So these here are the Shaqnosis, and like I said in the first video, all that come displayed is the Shaq logo on top right in the center and Reeboks in the bottom. The thing about these, I had to open this up off camera because it's hard to do it with just one hand, so I just took that off. So I won't be struggling on camera. But see how I was showing you, or I was telling you, how the other shoes, they come like individually wrapped with the film, with the wrapper. This here is just like a traditional, just one paper. But there they go, man, Shaqnosis. I haven't wore these yet either, so I still don't know how good these feel. I do have the green colorway, the Reeboks, that I tried on not long ago, and I like the way they felt. So I'm pretty sure these are all the same. And man, these are just super live. See what you got inside. You got the Shaq, Reebok Shaq. The 2013 pair, from what I heard, has these vectors don't line up well with the midsole. On these it do. And another thing, there is a guy on YouTube. He got a lot of old retro Reeboks, and he's mentioned that today's Hexalite is not the same as the old Hexalite technology on the OGs. That you know, I don't know. I've never owned a pair of all these old schools. Way back in the day, I was small, so I wouldn't even remember if I did, you know, how they felt or what the deal was with that technology. But you can see it right there on the heel. But yeah, he said it's not the same thing. But you know, I really don't care how they feel. I'm not gonna play basketball in them. I'm just gonna wear them. You know what I mean? Just, that's it. But just wanted to show you guys these. These are live. I like these. This is like my favorite Reebok right here. I'm hoping they will retro the Blast again anytime soon. I think the last time was 2013 as well, if I'm not mistaken. And they've only retroed it once, I think. The OG colorway. Hopefully they retro them again so I can have me my the Mobius pack, I think is what they called it. It was the Kamikaze, the Shaqnosis, the Big Hurt, and the Blast. They had them as the Mobius pack. And then recently, you know, in recent years, they released the Mobius shoe. What it had was the sole from the Clyde Drexlers. I forgot what them called. I think the Avant-Gardes. And you know, they just redesigned the whole shoe and made it look like a old throwback 95 type of shoe, but it's a modern shoe. It's just like a modern classic. But yeah, man, hopefully they release the Blast soon so I can have them. And I don't care too much for the Big Hurts, but I would scoop them up if, you know, if I'm able. All right, man. There we go.